Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are Softtrix, a Google Premier partner providing data marketing services worldwide for the last 15 years. Today I am sharing an exciting news story about a client that we have recently helped and how we use the Google AdWords to help them achieve remarkable success. Our client, a small business in the fashion accessory space, came to us struggling with the low website clicks and the even lower sales. They had great products, stylish, high quality bags that were perfect for the modern shoppers, but they were having difficulty reaching their target audience in such a competitive market. Despite their hard work, they were unable to generate the sales they have expected. That's when they have reached out to us for help. When we first reviewed their Google AdWords account, we saw the number of issues. Their campaigns were not optimized for high intent searchers and they were targeting too broad an audience. The ad copy was not compelling enough to engage shoppers and their bids were too low to compete with the larger competitors. It was clear that they needed a fresh approach. So what did we do? We have started by diving into their audience insights. We actually wanted to understand their potential customers, what they were reaching for and how they could craft the ads that could speak directly to their needs. After doing the thorough research, we have refined the audience targeting to focus on the people actively looking for the fashion accessories and the related products. So next we have revamped their Google AdWords campaign. We have introduced the search ads to target the high converting keywords, ensuring their bags showed up when potential customers were looking for exactly what they offered. We have also implemented the Google shopping ads to display their stylish bags visually, capturing the attention of users as they browse for the fashion items. To increase the brand awareness, we have launched the Google display ads and also strategically used the retargeting ads to bring back the visitor who had interacted with the website but had not made a purchase yet. While optimizing the campaign, we also focus on the website's landing pages. We made sure that the user experience was seamless with the fast load times and a smooth checkout process. Additionally, we have set up the conversion tracking to monitor every action and gather data on what worked best. So now in terms of the results are incredible. In just 1 month, the business experienced a 25% increase in their website clicks from the high quality visitors actively searching for their products. More significantly, their monthly sales soared to around $176,000 and their ROAS reached an impressive 5.41, meaning for every dollar spent they have earned $5 in revenue. The business owners was thrilled. Not only had their sales increased but also gained a loyal customer base that loved their products and appreciated the customer experience. Their success story highlights the power of Google AdWords when executed with the right strategy. So if you are just not seeing the results from your campaign, share your monthly budget and the Google Ads account with us for the free audit. Contact us via WhatsApp or website and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are here to help your business grow just like we did for this client.